Hey there! Did you know that inside your phone there are billions of tiny magic doors hiding epic power? These aren't just any doors. They are called transistors, and they are the secret heartbeat of every gadget you own. Think of a transistor as a microscopic switch. It can be on or off, letting electricity flow or stopping it cold. By controlling this flow, transistors help your phone think, calculate, and bring your favorite apps to life. When the door is open, the magic flows through. When it's closed, the power waits for its next command. But here's the real kicker. These doors are so small that millions of them can fit on the head of a pin. That's micro size with mega power. And today, we are going on a 5-minute ride to see how they change the world. Before transistors, computers used big, hot glass bulbs called vacuum tubes. They were slow and broke often. Then, in 1947, a group of scientists built the first transistor. It was small, sturdy, and much more reliable. This tiny invention started a revolution. Suddenly, machines that filled entire rooms could fit in your pocket. So what are these magic doors made of? A special material called a semiconductor, usually silicon. It's called a semiconductor because it can lead electricity like a wire or block it like a wall. It's the ultimate balancer. A transistor has 3 parts, one for the power to enter, one for it to leave, and a third to control the door. By opening and closing, transistors create the language of computers. Binary. Just ones and zeros. When you combine billions of these simple ones and zeros, you get high-definition video, music, and games. In your phone today, a single chip holds more transistors than there are people on the entire planet. Every year, we learn how to make these doors smaller and smaller, fitting more magic into less space. Smaller transistors use less power, which is why your phone can do so much without needing to be plugged in all day. Transistors aren't just in phones. They are in cars, satellites, and even your toaster. They are everywhere. In the future, transistors might be made of light or even single atoms. The magic is only going to grow. Think of every transistor as a single page in a massive library of information. Together, they tell the story of your digital life. Scientists are like gardeners, planting these tiny seeds of technology to grow the powerful devices of tomorrow. Transistors work at the speed of light, making decisions billions of times every single second. They do all this incredible work silently and efficiently, without a single moving part to break down. Transistors connect us all, bridging the gap between people across the entire globe instantly. It just goes to show, you don't have to be big to change the world. Sometimes, the smallest things are the mightiest. Last chance to dive deep. Tap that link below and I'll see you on the other side. Transistors. Tiny magic doors. Epic power. Your phone is a miracle of engineering. If you love these tiny tech stories, make sure to join our community here at Gabor Makes. Buckle up for the thrill tonight. The full story is even more mind-blowing than you think. Thanks for watching Gabor Makes. Keep exploring the magic inside the machines. Gabor Makes. Unlocking the magic of technology. We're just getting started. Buckle up, because the thrill of discovery is coming your way tonight. Want to see the full deep dive? Tap the long video link at the bottom of the screen right now. In the full video, we explore the quantum world and how these tiny doors might even solve the mysteries of the universe. You won't regret this ride. It's a journey from the palm of your hand to the edge of science. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, there's a whole world of power hiding in those tiny magic doors. See you in the long video. Let's unlock the power together.